I spoke about this application, this Gen AI called Focus before. So this is a how to generate a fake influencer or generate a fake image that is realistically looking. Now I found this creator on TikTok and he's also on YouTube. It's called Automate All the Things. And what he does, he basically shows this tool that is called Magnific.ai, and it basically lowers the bar for entry to create fake influencers. And it's pretty bonkers because sometimes what happens when you use any kind of image generation, if you're running on your local machine, if you're running it on a server or something, what happens, you basically get all these crooked body parts. So the stable diffusion basically generates your fingers weird or your eyes or your hair. It doesn't look realistic. Of course, you can download a bunch of modules to try to do it, but if you don't have the machine that allows it to generate and fix all those things, what it can use is this new tool that the guy mentions. And shout out to the Automate All the Things, because he basically explains how using the Magnific AI, you can just upload it and you can generate any type of user wearing any type of clothes. You can enhance the image so it looks super realistic. You will never understand if it's a real person or not. And that way you can use it for promoting your, I don't know, OnlyFans, because there's no censor. You can create an influencer that basically promotes only your products. You can promote anything you want, any business, anything. And it's 40 euros a month, which is nothing. And you can generate 100 images that are going to be super highly realistic, and you can make a lot of money for your brand, because that's another UGC, another promotion, another, let's say, influencer that you can use for your business, which means, yeah, it's very scalable, very quick and very easy, and it doesn't require a lot of, let's say, brain power to do that. So I highly recommend to test it out.